which is also claiming part of the islands, which are also, I said, a part of our claim jurisdiction sa economic zone. Hindi lang nila nakuha yung ibig kong sabihin. But I said there are about 6 contestants there, not only China. Pag inumpisahan mo yan at inumpisahan nila, maggulo yan. Then, China might just be selective. O sige, bahala ka. Total, malapit yan sa inyo. Then you'll have another controversy here, which we do not like. That is why, isa na lang tayo. China, who is there, who controls the passage, must come up with a code of conduct. Kasi yung build-up, he does not allow it. Siya lang. But, you know, while we were looking intensely on the what was evolving in the